Hello and welcome back to ArchiQuest. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you everything you need to know on monolithic stairs in Revit. From how to create monolithic stairs in Revit to how to apply materials to stairs in Revit, how to change the undersurface of the stairs in Revit, how to also create spiral stairs, and how to adjust such mistakes like this in Revit. These are all the things you will be learning about in this video, so do well to watch this video to the end. If this is your first time watching us, welcome. My name is Grant, and in this channel we publish interesting content relating to architecture. In order for me not to waste your time, let's dive into the video. Now, for us to create our monolithic stairs in Revit, the first thing we need to do is to come under our architecture tab. We'll click on stairs. We'll make sure this is on run, and since you are about to create a monolithic stairs, we make sure this is on monolithic stairs. Now we already know where we want our stairs to start from and where we want the stairs to end. Now I want the stairs to start from the DPC level and end on the first floor level. Now we change the base level to the DPC level, and we change the top level to first floor level. We change the base level to DPC level, and we change the top level to the first floor level. Now Revit will automatically calculate the desired number of risers you are going to have. Now you can adjust the tread depth if you want. You can make this 450, you can make it 275, whatever you want, but in this tutorial let's stick with 300 millimeters. Now if you want to increase the riser height, you can increase the riser height by reducing the desired number of stairs. Now you can see the riser height just changed to 157.5, but in this tutorial we are going to be sticking with the standard 150 millimeters. Now after setting all these in the property bar, the next thing we need to do is to click on edit type. We'll click on edit type, we'll come under landing type, 300 mm thickness. Since we want everything to be uniform, we change this landing type to 150 millimeters. We click on OK, then OK. Then we can now draw our monolithic stairs. Let's say we have, now you can see what is happening. Revit will automatically be telling you the number of stairs, the number of risers you've created, and how many is remaining. So if you want to make them even, you can create 10, then you can create the remaining 11 on the other side. You click good. Now you can come to the 3D view and you see the stairs you have created. Now this is how you create monolithic stairs in Revit. Now another thing I'm going to be showing you is how to add some design to these stairs in Revit. Let's say you want to do an interior and you want the under part of the staircase to be stepped, not smooth, because if you look at this you can see how smooth it is and it's properly aligning. Good. And you want the underparts to be stepped. Now for you to do that, all you need to do is to click on the stairs, you click on edit type, you come under run type, you click this, and underside surface we change this to stepped. Okay. Now you see it has automatically changed this to step. Now this looks nice if you are doing an interior project and you just want to give it some aesthetics and all. This is perfect for that. Now the next thing we are going to do is to edit this stairs. In as much as we have created this stairs and we have further adjustments to do on this stairs, we can as well do that. Let's say for instance this stairs is 1.2 by 1.2 and the space in between is 400, and we want this stairs to be 1 meter. We can actually do that by just editing this, making this 1000, doing this the same thing here, 1000. Good. And we can reduce the space between both stairs, let's say 100. Good. Now let's delete the dimensions. We do not need them. After that we can click on good, come back to the 3D, and we can see how the stairs look now. Now you can make further adjustments to these stairs if you want. Let's say you want the riser to be increased, the landing to be increased, let's say 1.5. You can do that. You can just play with this around 1000. So this is how you can edit the stairs to suit what you want to use it for. Now once you are done, you click on finish, and this is your staircase, monolithic staircase. Now another type of stairs I'm going to be showing you how to do is the spiral staircase. Now for us to do that, what we need to do is to come under architecture tab, we click on stairs, and we click on full step spiral. Once we click on that, we also go through the same process again. Make sure we're on our natural ground level. We also go through the same process again by changing this. We want the staircase to start from the DPC level, and we want the staircase to end on the first floor level. Now we click this first floor level, it automatically calculated it for us to be 21 risers. Now we can just come and draw the staircase however if you want it to be closely packed, we can do that. If you want to spread them out, you can just increase it. You can play with this around till you get what you want, your taste. Then you just click. Revit will automatically draw the stairs for you. Now if you come to the 3D, you can see the stairs you have created. Now this is a glass railing. I don't like this kind of glass railing, so we just need to change it back to the normal steel railing. Now you can see Revit has created these spiral stairs for you, and this is actually nice. Having this stepped under surface is very good for this spiral staircase. So if you have something like this for your interior and you render it properly, this would be interesting to look at. Now this is how you create your spiral monolithic staircase on Revit. Now there is another thing I'm going to be showing you in Revit. For example, if you have let's say you are about to create a staircase that leads to an entrance porch, and the staircase starts from the natural ground level to the DPC level because you are going into the entrance porch. So once you click on monolithic stairs, now Revit automatically calculates it for you. You have just 3 risers. Now you draw the staircase, 3 risers. Okay, good. Now you come to the 3D view. Let's change this to Now you come to the 3D view, and you can see this is what you are having. But in actual sense, what you want here to be fully packed, like it should just be concrete all through, fully packed. Now, but you can't get that because this is what you are having, that challenge of doing that in Revit. So all you need to do is very easy. All you need to do is to click on this under the edit type. We'll come to run type, click on run type. Let's change this to smooth, and we just edit this structural depth to, let's say, we just keep increasing it till it's completely occupied. Let's say 200. Okay, let's say 300. Okay, let's say 450. Perfect. Now click on OK. Now this is how you can fill up that space in your project in Revit. The stairs leading to the entrance, you can fill it up instead of having that angular line. You can represent it this way, which makes it look better. But this only looks better for smaller stairs like this that just lead to an entrance. If you are having it for a very big stairs that moves from floor to floor, it's not wise to do it this way because you will just be wasting a lot of concrete materials on that staircase. Now, another thing I'm going to be showing you is how to apply materials to your staircases. Now, for example, these stairs now that we have already created, I want to apply material to it. Now, all you need to do is to click on this material. You know, this stairs is going to be made of concrete, so we just want to have like a finish material to the stairs. What you need to do is to click on the staircase, you come under the edit type, you click on run type. Under the threads and risers, you check them, make sure they are checked, threads and risers. You can also edit the thickness. Let's say we want this to be 10 millimeters, and also the risers thickness, we want it to be 10 millimeters. Then you can give it the material. Let's say we want to give the thread material. Let's look for any wood finish that is nice. Let's say let's use this wood finish. Okay, now we can also copy this material and also paste it here. Okay, now you can see it has already been added. You can see the wood finish on the staircase. Now this is how you add materials on your staircase. Now the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is how to create a stairs by sketch in Revit. Now for us to create stairs by sketch in Revit, the first thing we need to do is to come under the architecture tab, we click on our stairs and we click on create sketch. Now what consists of a staircase is the boundary, the riser and the stair paths to know where the stairs is leading to. Now first of all, what we need to do is to draw our boundary. Before we draw the boundary, we need to set the base level and the top level of the staircase. Now change this to FFL and change the base level to DPC. Then we click on create sketch. Now we draw our boundary. Now let's say we want the size of the stairs to be 1 meter by 1 meter. So we offset 1 meter this way, and let's extend this, and we also offset 1 meter this way, and we do the same thing here. So now let's trim. We trim the stairs. Then we also offset 1 meter here. Good. Let's extend this way, extend this to this point, extend this to this point, and also extend this to this point. Good. Now then the next thing we need to do is to draw our riser. So we click on riser, line, then we start drawing the risers. Now the riser, the distance between each thread is 300. So we offset 300 mm. And we'll also do the same thing here. Now we want to create a winder with the same riser. This. Now after successfully creating the stairs, we now need to show the stair path, which is to click on stair path, line, and we draw the stair path. After we have drawn the stair path, we click on good. Then we come to our 3D, and we can see the stairs we have created. Now this is how you create stairs by sketch in Revit. If this video was in any way helpful to you, kindly hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like our video, share to your friends, and also turn on the notification button so that you don't miss out on interesting videos like this. See you in our next video.